society thrives into the 21st century and beyond, the implementation of technology has become more prominent in classrooms around the nation. Administrators, teachers, and students are expected to teach, learn, and use a variety of technology daily. With this in mind, the new Common Core have created standards mandating technology into English language arts. I also think using technology helps to connect students personally. Most teens tend to be on social network sites consistently through the day. Why not teach them the value of social networking and the dangers also? This is a great learning tool for students and teachers alike. Another way I would use digital learning as a communication tool. I think digital learning is a great tool to communicate effectively with staff, students, and the community. ClassDojo is a digital classroom management tool. A teacher sets up their class and displays it on a tablet, smartboard, or laptop. It should be displayed consistently throughout the day. Throughout the day, the teacher can award students for positive behavior. These behaviors can be the preset ones, or the teacher can add new behaviors to fit with their classroom rules. This is immediate and will save time by not having to record this at the end of the day. It is also accurate. A teacher can also take points away from a student who is exhibiting unwanted behavior. Same with the positive behaviors. These behaviors can be the preset ones or can be adapted to meet the needs to each individual classroom. Not only can a classroom teacher access this, but students can be held accountable in the entire building. All the classroom teacher has to do is add a teacher, and they can have access to the student's behavior. This will help with consistency between classrooms. As a teacher or an administrator, it is important to communicate with parents about their students' behavior. Therefore, teachers can add parents' emails to ensure communication daily on behavior. At the beginning of each year, the teacher can send a sheet home explaining ClassDojo and a code for parents and students to set up accounts to view their behavior. Also, a teacher can send reminders and notes to parents via ClassDojo. This can be done whole class or an individual basis. As an administrator, I think it's a great tool to give parents feedback daily on behavior. Therefore, at conferences or parent meetings, there are no surprises regarding behavior. The only drawback I have about this digital tool is for parents who lack resources to view this online. Padlet is a Web 2.0 tool that allows people to express their thoughts on a common topic easily. It works like an online sheet of paper where people can put any content, including images, videos, documents, and text, anywhere on the page, together with anyone from any device. Padlet is secured and can be password protected by the administrator of the page. This has allowed people to share views and ideas without worrying about security and/or privacy. It is very user-friendly and can be used for professional development as well as a parking lot of questions for students. It has a variety of uses. Another thing you can add to your Padlet are web pages. These web pages are accessible through your Padlet without going to their page. Evernote makes it easy to remember things from your everyday life using your computer, tablet, or phone. With this app, all your notes, web clips, files, and images are available on every device and computer you use. Evernote allows you to share notes and collaborate on projects with colleagues and classmates. Evernote allows you to set reminders, and it reminds you before the event via text, email, or alert. I use this app to record my students retelling a story. This allows me to utilize valuable instruction time for instructional purposes. It also gives the student an opportunity to hear themselves reading or retelling a story. Evernote saves information by date. However, you can organize it in a different way. This app allows you to take pictures and format the picture into different ways. Evernote is also handy when you're out and about and see something. You can record it, write it down, or take a picture of it and store it in your notes. Evernote accesses your location and records that too. As an administrator, I would use this for my team meetings. Instead of someone writing all the notes, there would be a digital recording of the meeting for team members to re-listen to if needed. Education is vastly changing, and schools, teachers, and administrators need to embrace this change. With the implementation of technology, it will allow students to research their questions and take ownership in their own learning. Students not only will be able to communicate with their peers in their school, but in their state, country, and world. School districts cannot turn a blind eye to the new skills. They need to face them head on and with an open mind. 21st century teaching isn't the future anymore. It is the present, and we, as educators, need to embrace the challenges ahead.